guys, welcome back to Trailhead Ranger NJ. And today we will be doing and completing this super badge, that is Access Governance Super Badge Unit. So it so it has some prerequisites, that is super badge program security, quick look, data security, and privileged user responsibilities. So I hope before coming to this super badge, you already have completed all those prerequisites. If not, please do that, and if you are facing any issues, please let me know so I might redo it again. I have already completed it. So and I hope you have already created the developer edition org using this given link and connected it to super badge unit. If not, I'll be pasting the link of video on how to do it. Please do that. And let's get started with the first challenge. So our first challenge is, that is audit privileged users. Okay. So I hope you have gone through this business requirement. So let's go to our org, and then we will first go to the users, then user management settings. We need to enable this permission, that is permission set and permission set group assignment with expiration date. So using this we will be able to assign permission set to the users with expiration dates, that is for number of days, number of weeks. So let's go to the users now. We'll go to this user, that is Rahul Patel, and then permission set. We'll click on manage assignment. Select this, click on edit icon. We'll click on this radio button of the specify the expiration date. Then we'll make it to 30 days. Assign, and the status should be success. Now we can click on done. Now let's go to the permission set groups. We'll click on all permission set groups. Now let's go to the persona sales representative. Click on delete, cancel. We'll click on permission set in group. Now we have all these permissions set, and if you go to the business requirement, they are saying that we need to remove this permission set. So we'll go back to this and click on remove permission set. Okay, so click on done. So yes, so let's check, our first challenge should be completed. That's how we have completed our first challenge. Let's move on to the next challenge. Sorry, that is monitor data changes. So it is saying that we need to enable field history for the following fields, that is close date, opportunity owner, stage, amount. And then after these fields are tracked, we need to add the opportunity field history related list to the page layout. Okay, let's do this first. We'll go to the object manager, search for opportunity, then fields and relationship, set history tracking. Okay, cancel, close date. Yes, after clicking on this enable opportunity field history, we will select all the fields which we are asked. Close date, opportunity owner, stage, and then amount. Okay, so we'll click on save. Now we will go to the page layout. We'll open this page layout. We'll go to the related list and we need to add this to related list. Opportunity field history. Yes, we'll save it. Yes. So yes, we need to now create a report with these requirements. And here is a note that is mentioned that we have a report tab in this app as well, that is user access and permissions assistant tab. But it is different, so we will go to our standard report app. We'll search for report. Sorry, it's reports. The standard one is reports. We'll click on new report. Select the category as all, then we will search for opportunity field history, start report, then we'll go to the filters and show me. We will choose all opportunity, apply, then edit date as 7 days, last 7 days. We'll click on apply, then include any, apply. Yes, we'll copy the report name. We'll do save and run. We'll copy the report unique name as well. We'll select the folder as compliance folder, compliance reports. Then we'll click on save. So our report is created now. Now what we have to do is we need to enable the delete field history. So we will go to the setup permissions. We'll need to enable that we can find under user interface. We will search for user interface. Yeah, this one we will click on this user interface. Then we need to enable this permission, that is enable delete field from field history and delete from field history archive user permissions. We will save this. Now we will go back to permission set. We'll create a new permission set using this name, and it needs to have a 1 day expiration date as well. So we will do this, click on save. And then we'll click on system permissions, edit, then we'll search for field history. We'll enable this, we will save it, save. Now we will click on manage assignment as we have to assign this permission set to our user. We will select our user, this, the next. Then we'll go to next option, that is specify the expiration date. We'll select 1 day, then assign, click on done. Yes. Now we have assigned the permission set. Now we need to use the data loader. We will go to data loader to delete the records which contain the credit card number. Go to the all accounts and now select this account. Now from here we'll click on data loader, we'll log in with Salesforce, then click on login. You might have seen the allow option at first, so click on that. I will delete this as I have tried it earlier. Now click on new task, then click on export. As we don't have any records earlier, so we'll click on export first. We'll click on account history, next. Then we will change it to account ID and we will copy paste the account ID from here. Now we'll click on plus icon, then account history ID. We'll select account history ID, new value and old value here. Click on next and then save and run. Now we have all three record successes. We will the file, we will click on three successes and we'll open it. After opening the file, you might be seeing it like this, having three records. You might have opened the file in your Excel sheet, so you just need to remove the last record and save the file again. And in case if you don't have Excel like me, so you can open it in VS Code and then also save the file by removing the last record, and then move back to dataloader.io. And now we will click on new task and then click on delete, then click on account history, and click on next, then upload CSV. I'll click on next and then save and run. Two successes. Now we will move back to the account record and let's refresh it. We'll see that only one account history is remained over here. Earlier it was three if you have checked. So let's now check our second challenge. It's completed. Let's get started with our last and third challenge, that is monitor connected app access and take quiz button. Now our first question is, how would an admin require two-factor authentication when a user logs into a connected app? Obviously, if you have gone through all the prerequisites, then you know that we need to go to this app's session policies and select high assurance session required to allow the two-factor authentication. Now, second question is, what happens when an admin blocks a connected app? Yes, so if an admin blocks a connected app, Then all the current sessions and future sessions are prevented. So D option. Next is what happens when a connected app is uninstalled from an org. Then the authorized policies related to the app are removed, but user can still access the app. How should an admin view who installed the connected app detail page? How should an admin view who has used a connected app? User account, auth user record. So A and B, let's check it. So that's how we have successfully completed our this super badge, that is access governance super badge unit. So if you have liked the video, please like it and subscribe the channel, and if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. I'll be pasting the link of Trailhead as well as the video of how to connect the dev auth to the super badge unit to get started. And let me know if you have any doubts or any questions in the comment section. Thank you.